Hello Ryan, what you know about bots? How you imagine them? Like the 800 or the 1000? For real, how you imagine them? In my mind, bot is program which can do something faster than human and it work only in human user interface. Every day we see them and they us, analyze our services and our personal information. When we write to Instagram support or join some group in messengers. Today millions of bots will analyze millions bytes of information. But for what? For example, I have an internet shop and some customer want extra information about my product. I can hire a worker or two for all day, 24 hour, 365 days in a year to answer questions. Or I can buy a chatbot which will answer automatically and analyze most frequently asked questions. Or if I have a game server and I need to moderation chat. Here be a perfect place for parser bot, which will read all text and delete prohibited content. So bot is very useful if we need to do simple, repetitive work. But what bots have under the hood? Here's two types of bots: self-learning and unlearning. How can you understand self-learning can improve? That's because combining with AI. If we need, for example, parse real big data, the best solution would be an AI that can improve during the work. But for small business, it will be excessive. And unlearning scripted bot seems better. Bot, it's technology which almost every another technology can be used. We can replace old-fashioned jobs with bots, minimal rough boring work and maximum profit. In the end, I wanna make a simple Python Telegram bot. So let's make it. I created one file before as a cheat sheet. We'll work with Iogram. It's best Python library for bot creating in Telegram. Here we import four objects: bot, dispatcher, executor and types. Bot needs for connecting to Telegram. It's working by API token, which you can get from BotFuzzer. Dispatcher is program which handle requests from Telegram API. Executor is like a launcher. It's turned on our bot. And types. This is class which provide a keyboard UI to our bot. So, firstly we need handle start command, because this is what user will write. Next we need to create asynchron function. Yes, Iogram is asynchron library. So we create a start function and connect to keyboard. We created two buttons, am I gay and what is the best YouTube channel. Then I add two buttons to our keyboard and write a method that will answer on our question, on our command start. So we write start and message.answer will send our message with our keyboard. Then I add another function with another handler and a little random to our questions. So if customer write am I gay, we'll answer him yes or not by a random number. So if one, yes; if not one, oh, two, no, and like a 50%. And then I connect our link on our channel in text with HTML. So that's all. We write executor and it will be work. Let's press start. am I gay? So it's working. Yes, it gave us different answers. And what's Bet's YouTube channel? Oh, it's not work. Oh, we missed parse mode. So parse mode HTML, reload, and it must work. Let's check. So, yep, it's working, and our YouTube, yes, it's working. We can check link. Yeah, it's correct. Thank you for watching this video. Please write, comment, subscribe, and press like. Goodbye.